Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restart Windows computer. So if you have a Windows computer and you want to restart your Windows computer, it could be Windows 10 or Windows 11 or laptop or desktop, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to restart a Windows PC, all you need to do is press the Windows button on your keyboard or press the start button on your PC. Then once you selected that, locate the power button here. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, is that the start button is at the bottom left or somewhere around here. Select it and then click on the power button. Once you selected power button, then you should say the restart button. Now this is going to close all apps, turn off the PC and then turn it on again. Now go ahead and select restart, and then once you select the restart, your PC is going to restart. So that is basically how to restart Windows 10 and then Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.